how to enable or disable stay awake on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, you will see showing you stay awake. So if you want to enable stay awake, so turn on this button. You will see stay awake is enabled. So if you want to disable stay awake, so turn off this button. You will see stay awake is disabled. So you will enable or disable stay awake from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable stay awake on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.